Okay, today I came out to clean my heat pump. I've got the top unbolted and it's just propped up with a stick. The wires aren't long enough. Sometimes the wires are long enough to move it to the side, but in this case the wires that connect to the fan are not that long, so I've just got it propped up with a stick. One of the main things I want to show you, besides the fact that I'm cleaning the unit, I'm going to remove all the debris. That's easy. That's just a matter of reaching down and picking it up, and then I'm going to spray the inside with coil cleaner. The fins that the Freon tubing runs through to dissipate, the fins that are used to dissipate the heat are very delicate, so you don't want to use a brush. Just spray a cleaner and let the cleaner sit for the prescribed time, and then blast it out with a hose. Had a problem with this unit, and I found the source of it. The problem was a constant vibrating noise, whether the unit was running, even with the power cut to the heat pump itself, the vibration consisted, which told me that the whatever the source of the vibrating was, the signal or the power coming to it was from the air handler inside the house. So I looked at the switching valve. On the switching valve, this right here is the switching valve. Freon comes in and goes out. And this is a valve that slides back and forth to either command heated Freon to go into the house to be dissipated in the house, or for heated Freon to come outside to be dissipated, which you would have in the summertime. But anyway, this is the switching valve. On the switching valve right here, there is a solenoid. This solenoid seems to have a constant vibration. Now, I've already stopped the vibrating, but I'm going to make it vibrate again. Okay. So that's the constant vibration that I had non-stop 24 hours a day. Every time you walk by this unit, sort of annoying, but I knew there was nothing wrong with it. Everything was functioning right. But since I've got it opened up, I investigated and I found that the solenoid on the switching valve is the cause of the vibrating. There's a constant vibration in that solenoid. But I can move it, which I've already, as I said, I'd already done. You can move it. You can just torque this connector a little bit. You can move it around. You can rotate the solenoid itself and a little bit, and the vibration stops. So that was a simple fix. Now the unit is quiet, and it's going to be clean, good as new. Hopefully you haven't paid anybody to look at this, because if you did and they replaced your switching valve, I hate to tell you, but you pay too much. Also, cleaning these outdoor units is a very simple task. It's a matter of removing a few screws that are on the outside of the housing, and taking the top off, spraying the coils with a cleaner, and hosing them down. Hope this helped, especially if you had a vibrating humming noise coming out of your outside heat pump unit. Have a good one. Stay cool.